Want to get more out of your learning? If so, you want to use the ReadSpeaker suite of learning tools. First, you must activate the ReadSpeaker tools. Click on the tab with the speaker, which is on your screen's left side. Now you can listen to lessons, quizzes, discussions, assignments, documents, and more. Let's listen to part of this lesson.
Each person has different learning preferences.
Make ReadSpeaker fit you. Adjust your settings such as the highlighting colors, text settings, such as the font size, font, text background color, and text spacing. Let's swap back to a white background, and let's look at the page mask settings. Select the color of the focus area, the middle area, and the transparency for it. Now, let's select the color for the mask, the top and bottom horizontal stripes, and the transparency of it. Settings are stored in the cookies and cache of your browser. Form reading is used to read fill in the blank and other types of quiz questions. Toggle it on for the quiz and off after the quiz has been submitted. Reduce screen burnout and increase focus by using tools like a page mask. Enlarge text. Text mode. A reading ruler. Change reading voices in Doc Reader. And in Web Reader. Highlighting. And more. Let's translate a word or phrase into another language. And listen.
Atrapar muchos errores.
How do I read documents? Click on the icon with a sheet of paper with the speaker. If you don't see the icon, make sure you have activated ReadSpeaker by clicking on the tab on the left side of your screen. Your document will open in a new view with various Doc Reader tools. Click on Expand Toolbar to see more tools. It's easy to see how this will help you be more engaged with your course. Now that you know about all these tools, you will want to give them a try.